Welcome to 1979 Design, where the Matthews family transforms an old rundown craftsman into a beautiful new home. So when Chris and I drove up and we saw this beautiful live oak, this oak, and this one, we couldn't resist buying this property. So in March of 2023, we signed on a 1979 build that looks like this. So you may be thinking, what are we thinking? Okay, so Ava and I have made it to the house. Only one injury so far. See your leg. We have trash cans and lots of trash waiting on us to pick up. Wish us luck.
Fun.
We started cleanup in the living room. More cleanup in the living room. Yuck.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
As you can see, there's mold growing on everything, and the carpet was simply disgusting. And then we shifted to the kitchen.
And there's the kitchen. It's gorgeous.
Yummy. Pantry. And then the master bedroom.
Mommy and Daddy's room. King, queen, I don't know, of the castle, maybe?
Disgusting. Like the rest of the house, the floors were cluttered with trash. The guest suite. The suite is in the basement of the home, but will have a private bath so that our guests are nice and comfortable. The kids will also have their private suites in the upstairs of the home.
The white thing?
White thing, right there, right in front of us.
Oh, he's coiled up.
That's a,
Right there.
it's a fake snake,
No, it's
Ava.
not.
There.
He's right there,
Right
black
there.
and white. Yep.
Fake snake. Fake snake.
Oh gosh.
Told you.
Ava.
It could have been a rattlesnake just as easy as anything else.
Take a breath. Grayson has killed multiple moccasins on the property. Now to the basement. Welcome to the future two-car garage and workspace. Join us in the next episode for yard cleanup for our 1979 design.